If you have been praying for money and you have not used alligator pepper for once to make a prayer, you need to try it this time around. Okay. If you have been praying and you have not for one day used alligator pepper to make a prayer for money, you need to try it this time around. Okay. In this video, I want to share with you the secret power of alligator pepper for wealth and abundance. Okay. If you want to attract wealth and abundance, you should learn how to use alligator pepper to make a prayer. Okay, this alligator pepper has so many spiritual benefits, but in this video I will be focusing on wealth and abundance. Okay, that's about money. Okay, so many people know the benefit of this alligator pepper, the spiritual benefit of it. Okay, why some don't even know. Okay, so if you have been praying for money and you have not used alligator pepper to make a prayer, you should try this after watching this video. Okay, because in this video I will reveal to you how you can make that prayer with alligator pepper for you to be able to receive that wealth and abundance into your life. Okay, especially if you are going through some stuff, like if you are going through some financial difficulties. This is another method that you can use alligator pepper to bring wealth and abundance into your life. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Gideon, and by the special grace of God, I share spiritual tip here in this channel. Okay, so if you like this channel, do well to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my channel. Okay, so keep watching this video to the end as I reveal to you the steps that you should take for you to get wealth and abundance with alligator pepper by the special grace of God. Okay, so keep. Welcome back. So here are the secret powers of alligator pepper. Here are the steps that you should take for you to receive that wealth and abundance after praying with alligator pepper. Okay, number one thing that you should understand is that alligator pepper is a sacred spiritual item. Okay, if you are somebody who involve yourself in something bad, like your hands are not clean, you should avoid alligator pepper. Okay, because it's a sacred spiritual item. If you have grudges or if you have done something evil against your fellow person and you are using alligator pepper to make a prayer, it will be difficult for you to receive answer. Understand? So make sure that you are pure and make sure that you are not having anything in mind against anybody. Okay, you are not having anything evil in mind against anybody before you start doing this prayer. Okay, so what you should do is to get your alligator pepper. Okay, you should get your alligator pepper. You are going to use it to pray. Okay, you use it to pray. Bring out the seed that are inside. Bring out 40 seed from it. Okay, you can't 40 take note, you can't 40 seed from the inside and you use it to pray. Okay, as you're praying, you say your intention. Okay, the things that you want to receive. Okay, what you want to receive. If it's wealth and abundance, you say it as you are praying. Okay, with the 40 seed of that alligator pepper. Okay, you say that as this seed of alligator pepper is full, so shall your blessings and the things that will be coming into your life be coming in full. Okay, that alligator pepper do not go on a journey and return home shamefully. This will be the things that you'll be saying with your mouth, because these things, the things you confess with your mouth, are the things that the universe and God Almighty will use to answer your prayer. So make sure that you're saying something. Okay, so after saying your intention, after saying your mind, you use that 40 seed of alligator pepper. Okay, and go to anywhere you are doing your business or your job or your office. Go there and drop it at the corner somewhere that is safe. Just drop that 40 seed of alligator pepper there. Okay, once that 40 seed of alligator pepper is there, that will be attracting people with money to be coming to that place to patronize or buy whatever thing that you are doing, whatever thing that you are selling. Okay, from that you will start getting money. From that you will start becoming rich and wealthy. Okay, this is a simple spiritual assignment that you should do with alligator pepper. Okay, you should do it with faith. You should do it believing it will work for you, and make sure that your hands are clean, that you are pure, you are not having evil mindset or anything evil against anybody, because alligator pepper is a sacred spiritual item. Okay, once you have anything bad or anything that has to do with wickedness or evil with anybody, you don't need to do this spiritual assignment. Okay, just do this spiritual assignment only once. Okay, only once, and do it with faith, because most of the times the reason why some people don't receive miracles after praying, even after going to church, after doing spiritual work, they don't receive miracles because they don't believe that it will happen. Okay, they don't believe that it will happen. Faith is the number one thing that you should apply whenever you want to do any spiritual assignment. Okay, so make sure you do this spiritual assignment for you to receive that wealth and abundance by the special grace of God. Okay, so try this today. Make sure you do the prayer only once. Okay, and you see it happen in your life by the special grace of God. So if you have any question that you want to ask, you can use the comment section. I'll explain it more better for you. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.